How long have you been on HelloTalk?
I registered, I can't remember, maybe 5 or 6 years ago, but I did not use it a lot. But like recently, there are a lot of changes in my company and headquarters. So now I think I have like some free time to do some things I like.
Nice, nice. Absolutely. When you find that free time, sometimes you just want to use it in a fun way, but also you can improve yourself at the same time. I think that's finding that balance is tough.
I think I have a problem with my speaking skills because I don't know, like whenever I stand in front of like a lot of people or like if I speak in front of like strangers, I would just feel nervous. Even though like I'm a teacher, like I teach students, like I teach maybe 25 or 30 students in a class, but still sometimes I feel nervous. So I really want to like improve that, you know. Like when I talk with my manager or like if there are many managers like in a big meeting room, I stand there like I was like, oh my god, so what should I say? I really don't know. Like you may know every single word I will say, so what should I say? That's my feeling, you know.
It's a self-belief and mental issue, I'm sure you and I are capable of achieving anything just like everyone else on this earth, right? We're all human beings, but kind of getting over that barrier mentally and having that self-belief to actually go out and perform and take action. But if you're constantly hesitant, you'll always be on the sidelines. You'll never be on the playing field. Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?